Hi Year 13s, in the last video we looked at the proof of the exponential function. In this video we're going to look at some examples. And so it's asking us to differentiate these functions. So with question A, our function is e to the power of 4x. And so we have to make sure we use the chain rule here when we differentiate. So our derivative, f dash of x, is going to be e to the 4x. But we need to remember that we have to differentiate that function as well and times it. And so we're going to have 4 out the front because that's the derivative of 4x. So that's using the chain rule. Okay, question B, our function is 5e to the negative x. Okay, so when we differentiate this one, we're going to have essentially 5e to the negative x, but then we need to multiply it by the derivative of our power, which will be negative 1, and negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. And so that's all we need there. Alright, question C, our function that we are differentiating is e to the 3x squared, and so our derivative is going to be 6x times e to the 3x squared. So I'm just taking that power, differentiating it to put it there, and then writing the e function exactly the same as it was written above. So just remember that chain rule. Whenever you've got a composite function, you do need to employ that even though e differentiates to itself. Okay, one more example over here. So this example here, we first of all need to rewrite this as y equals 6e to the negative 3x. So just remembering our index laws, when you've got a power on the bottom of the fraction, it's the same as that power being negative. And so dy by dx is going to be the derivative of that power times our function. So that's negative 18e to the negative 3x. So that's fine for NCEA, what we've got there. But as mathematicians, we should return things as we found them. So I should really write this as negative 18 over e to the positive 3x. And that's for the sake of the mathematician, which I hope you all aspire to be. Alright, so to practice these guys, we've got exercise 15.03. Make sure you assess yourself as you're going, whether it's a good level or not. And if it's too easy, continue on. And if it's if it's too hard, make sure you're asking questions in class. That's it.